Hey guys, Devin here from Braised and Deglazed, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to debone a chicken leg. By the end of this video we'll have a drumstick, a chicken back, and a bone-in chicken thigh. Alright, so first step is to remove the chicken back from the leg. I'm going to start by slicing along the bone and try to leave as much meat on as possible on the chicken leg and not the actual bone. Keep slicing until you can find this little joint here, which we can just, using our hands, just pop out. Once that's separated, you can cut the rest off, being sure to leave that chicken oyster at the top part there on the actual leg and not the bone. Save the bones for soup or stock for later. And then you want to find the little indent between the two pieces here. You can sort of feel it with your knife, and if you do this right, you can cleanly cut between these two pieces without hitting any bone. Alright, so we got the drumstick here. Just clean that up for a little excess fat, cut that off. And there's a drumstick. Alright, chicken thigh, same sort of thing. Trim off the excess fat. And same thing on the other side. We're just going to clean that up a little bit. One thing to note is that there will be a little knuckle bone that's left between the joints here on the one side. And some people like to remove this, but I just leave that on and eat around it later. It doesn't really bother me. Alright, there we have it. There's 3 parts of chicken. The chicken thigh, drumstick, and the bone. Alright, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like, and otherwise, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.